That heat dome is really going to be cranking up the heat, especially across the desert Southwest. Places like Vegas, they're going to be upwards of 110, 115 degrees. Palm Springs is also going to be around that 110, 115 degree mark. Bakersfield, 105, 106. Sacramento, 102, 103, and it's only going to get hotter by the time that we step out this week. These numbers are only going to continue to crank up. So the fact that San Francisco at 70 degrees is the high temperature tomorrow, just want to remind everybody how lucky we are to live here in the Bay Area, but also be prepared for a bit more of a heat up to head our way by Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, especially across our inland East Bay communities. The marine layer is going to hold on tight overnight tonight and into early tomorrow. If you live down near Santa Cruz, maybe even Monterey, there should be still a good amount of sunshine tomorrow afternoon. Temperatures, though, are still going to be a degree or two within normal, maybe a couple of degrees above average inland, within a degree or two of normal along the coast. Areas by the bay are going to be in the upper 70s to low 80s. Inland, you're going to be sitting in the low 90s. By Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, though, these high temperatures inland especially are going to be heating up to the upper 90s, too. I wouldn't be surprised if places like Fairfield, Antioch, Concord, you maybe reach the triple-digit mark on Saturday. Saturday probably is going to be the peak of the heat before cooling down slightly into Sunday and Monday, and then an even bigger cool down will be heading our way by mid next week. The bigger issue is not necessarily the heat, it's the fire danger, especially for places down in the Diablo range. That fire fuel right now is going to be higher than normal. And I do want to just point out one area. This location in the Diablo range actually is going to be seeing near extreme when it comes to that fire fuel level. So keep that in mind. Over the next couple of days, fire levels are going to be elevated. There is good news, though. At the end of the forecast, you see that green? The green is the forecast getting up to that extreme level when it comes to that red line, but it will be going down by next week, which is good because there is going to be more moisture and much cooler weather making its way in. So by mid next week, there is going to be a return to more typical Bay Area weather conditions. There's going to be a lot more fog to talk about, a lot cooler temperatures, a much stronger onshore wind, but we do have about a week of above average temperatures to get through until then. It is going to stay a few degrees above normal, even for areas by the bay, sitting in the upper 70s to low 80s through the weekend and into early next week. Along the coast even, you're going to be seeing some low 70s out there with definitely more sunshine than we're used to seeing this time of year. Normally, I like to call August Fogust because we really don't see too much sunshine, again, especially along the coast. But just to let you all know, by mid to late next week, that fog is going to return in full force. So appreciate the sunshine along the coast while you can.